when you take it off, this is the engine side. That hole in there, if you see, will be about 5mm, be absolutely tiny. So what I've done is I've opened it up to around 10mm. Let more airflow, let more heat out of the exhaust. So yeah, either use a drill bit, or if you've got a mini grinder, use a little mini grinding bit and grind it out. On the front, got your spark arrestor screen in here. Actually took mine out already, it's on the bench. And what I've done on there, this hole here again will be rather small. That one right there. So I've just enlarged that as well. Just a lot better airflow, let more heat out. This exhaust was getting very hot, as you can see from the discoloration here. Very choked down, and heat is always a bad thing for any engine. So yeah, just a little minor operation. Should it runs a lot better now. Throttle response is good, and it's breathing more freer because it was very choked down. And if you do attempt this, you need to make sure clean out all the debris you've caused. You want to thoroughly do a good job getting all the waste material out. You don't want any getting back up into the engine and scoring your piston, cylinder, etc. So that's pretty much it really, and you could even drill into the internal baffle if you wanted to, but that would make it stupidly loud, and that's something I don't want. But yeah, this is just literally to allow the machine to breathe better, get more heat out, and yeah, little simple one. Thanks for watching.